Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we will see how the image form in case of convex lens and in case of concave lens. So firstly we will discuss the image formation in case of convex lens at different positions. So first case is when object is at infinity. जब ऑब्जेक्ट इन्फिनिटी पर रखा हुआ हो तो कैसी इमेज बनती है. This is our convex lens. This is principal axis. This is optical center, focus, and let me say parallel rays are coming because whenever the object is at infinity means ऑब्जेक्ट बहुत दूर है और वहाँ से हमें इन्फिनिटी पैरेलल रेज आती हुई दिखाई देंगी. वो पैरेलल रेज फोकस से पास हो जाएंगी. सो द इमेज फॉर्म्ड इज एट फोकस. करेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ द इमेज इज फॉर्म्ड एट फोकस. सेकेंड इज रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड. जब कभी भी इमेज रियल बनती है तो इन्वर्टेड भी बनती है. एंड थर्ड इज डिमिनिश्ड, छोटी बनेगी, स्मॉलर देन द ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, एंड दिस टाइप ऑफ इमेज इज यूज्ड टू कन्वर्ज द रेस. कन्वर्ज मीन्स किसी एक पॉइंट पर मिला देना. कन्वर्ज द रेज एट ए पॉइंट, किसी एक पॉइंट पर मिला देना. एंड सेकेंड यूज इज इन कैमराज. जो कैमरा यूज़ करते हैं हम उसमें यूज़ होता है. ओके, द सेकेंड इमेज फॉर्मेशन इज व्हेन ऑब्जेक्ट इज बियॉन्ड 2f. ऑब्जेक्ट इज बियॉन्ड 2f मीन्स 2f से थोड़ा दूर रखा हुआ हो. तो हमारे पास फिर से दिस इज द कॉन्वेक्स लेंस, प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस, this is optical center, f 2f. Now object is beyond 2f means like this. Parallel rays coming. Two rules are there. We will apply. First is any ray comes parallel to the principal axis, then it will pass through focus. And second rule we will apply. If any ray passes through optical center, then it will remain on its path. Wherever these two will meet, that will be the formation of image. And the image is formed between f and 2f. So the characteristics are between f and 2f. And second is real and inverted. आपको दिखाई भी दे रही है कि उल्टी बनी हुई है. एंड थर्ड वन इज अगेन डिमिनिश्ड, छोटी ही बनती है. ओके, थर्ड केस इज ऑब्जेक्ट इज एट 2f. जब ऑब्जेक्ट 2f पर रखा हुआ हो. तो फिर से कॉन्वेक्स लेंस, प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस, और हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट कहाँ रखा हुआ है? 2f पर, exactly at 2f. Again same rules. First is parallel to the principal axis, then it will pass through focus. Second is any ray passes through optical center, then it will remain on its path. Wherever they will meet, that will be the point at which image is formed. And this is the image formed at 2f. So characteristics are at 2f, image is formed at 2f. Second is फिर से real and inverted, and it is of same size means जो ऑब्जेक्ट के साइज है सेम रहेगा. फोर्थ इज ऑब्जेक्ट इज between f and 2f. So in this case हमें जो ऑब्जेक्ट को है वो प्लेस करना है f और 2f के कहीं बीच में. फिर से rule same, parallel to the principal axis, then it will pass through focus, and second one through optical center, and wherever they will meet, that will be the point of formation of image. So the characteristics are beyond 2f, second is again real and inverted, and third one is magnified. Magnified image बनती है. Now when the object is at focus, so this is the convex lens, principal axis, optical center, this is focus, here is the object. Again a parallel ray comes, then it will pass through focus, and another one through optical center, and these two will remain parallel to each other, either on the back side or on the front side. So the characteristics are image is formed at focus, second is again real and inverted, and again magnified. Next one is when object is between F and O, means focus and optical center on the principal axis. This is convex lens, optical center, focus. Now object is here. Again the same rule, parallel to the principal axis, then it will pass through focus. And second one is if any ray passes through optical center, then it will remain on its path. These two will not meet anywhere on this side, so we will proceed these rays in the backward direction, and wherever they will meet, that will be the point of formation of image. So in this case, image is formed on the side of object, second is virtual and erect, and third one is magnified image is formed. Okay, now the uses are as a reading glass, मीन्स जब कभी वर्ड्स बहुत छोटे होते हैं तो हम उन वर्ड्स को बड़ा करके देखने के लिए इस लेंस का यूज़ करते हैं. मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास मीन्स जैसे छोटे छोटे जो माइक्रो ऑब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं उनको देखने के लिए माइक्रोस्कोप वगैरह में भी लगाया जाता है और इस तरह से भी यूज़ करते हैं. एंड यूज्ड बाय डेंटिस्ट. Another use is to remove or to correct hypermetropia. This is a kind of diseases which occur in the eyes that we will discuss later, but this type of lens is used to correct hypermetropia. Okay students, now we will discuss the image formation by concave lens, and there are only two cases. So first case is when object is at infinity. This is our concave lens, and the case is when object is at infinity. And when object is at infinity, then we will bring the parallel rays. Those rays must be parallel to each other, not necessarily parallel to the principal axis. So after refraction, they will go on this side, this will go on this side, and whenever we will proceed in the backward direction, then they will meet on the principal axis at focus. This is the image formed. So the characteristics are at focus, second is virtual and erect, थर्ड वन इज डिमिनिस्ड, छोटी बनती है इस वाले केस में इमेज। द सेकेंड केस इज व्हेन object is placed anywhere on the principal axis. So for that, this is our concave lens and object is anywhere on the principal axis. So let me say here is the object, again a parallel ray parallel to the principal axis, then after refraction it will appear to pass through focus, मीन्स जब हम इसको पीछे की तरफ बढ़ाएंगे तो वो फोकस पर मिलेगी एंड वन रे वी विल पास थ्रू ऑप्टिकल सेंटर एंड इट विल रिमेन ऑन इट्स पाथ. दिस इज द पॉइंट एट विच दीज विल मीट. सो दिस इज द पॉइंट ऑफ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ image. So the characteristics are on the side of the object, second is virtual and erect, third one is diminished. Main use of this lens is to correct myopia. Now for the numerical problems, we should know the lens formula as we have studied the mirror formula. So the lens formula is 1 upon image distance, and it is represented by V, minus 1 upon object distance and it is represented by U, is equal to 1 upon focal length and it is represented by F. So it will be 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. This is the lens formula. Now the magnification of a lens. Magnification is represented by M and it is equal to minus V upon U or H2 upon H1, where H2 is image size or height we can say, and H1 is object size or height. Third one is power of lens. Power of lens is the ability of a lens to converge or diverge the rays, and it is equal to 1 upon F, and focal length must be in meter. SI unit of power of lens is diopter, represented by D. Now we will study the sign conventions, and sign conventions are in case of convex lens and in case of concave lens. This is our convex lens, this is principal axis. So in this case the focal length is always positive, because we have seen that if parallel rays comes, then these will meet at focus on the right side of the principal axis. So if anything measured on the right side of optical center, then it will be taken as positive, and anything on the left side of the optical center will be taken as negative. Above the principal axis will be positive and below the principal axis will be negative. So in this case the focal length is positive. The object distance, because we have always placed the object on the left side, so it will be negative. And image distance, if image is formed on the right side, then it will be positive, and if right side image is formed, then it will be real image, and we will take it negative if image is virtual, because virtual image will be formed on the left side. In case of concave lens, this is our concave lens, and in this case the focal length is always negative, because we have seen that if parallel rays comes, then those will appear to meet on the left side of the optical center. So the focal length will be on the left side, it will be taken as negative. Object distance will be taken as negative. Image distance, because in this case the images formed are only virtual, so we will take it as always negative. Students, now we will discuss a numerical question, and the question is, an object is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of concave lens of focal length 30 सेंटीमीटर। हमें इस बात से ये पता चल गया कि एक तो कॉनकेव लेंस है वो, और उसकी फोकल लेंथ जो है वो 30 सेंटीमीटर है। एंड जस्ट नाउ वी हैव डिस्कस्ड द साइन कन्वेंशंस, and in that we have discussed that the focal length of convex lens is always taken as negative, so we will take it as minus 30 centimeter. Find the position of the image. Position of the image means we have to find out V at a distance of 20 centimeter. When object is at a distance of 20 centimeter means object distance आपको given है and that is 20 centimeter, और ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस हम ऑलवेज नेगेटिव लेते हैं। तो हमें और क्या फाइंड करना है? फाइंड द मैग्निफिकेशन एंड पावर ऑफ लेंस। मैग्निफिकेशन एंड पावर बोथ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट, सो वी विल यूज द लेंस फॉर्मूला, एंड दैट इज, वी नो दैट 1/v minus 1/u is equal to 1/f. Put the values. 1/v minus 20 is equal to 1/-30. So it will be 1/-30 and it will be minus 1/20. 60 is the LCM. So minus 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 5/60, means minus 1/12 is equal to 1/v. Taking reciprocal on both sides, it will be minus 12 centimeter. So the nature of the image is virtual because it is formed on the left side. Now the formula for magnification is, we know that m is equal to minus v/u. So minus 12 is v and minus 20 is u. It will be minus 3/5, means it is equal to minus 0.6. Now again we know that power is equal to 1/f, and f must be in meter, so we will convert this in meter, and it will be minus 30/100 meter. We will put here 1/-30/100, it will be minus 100/3, so power will be equal to minus 10/3, and it is minus 3.33 diopter. Okay students, thank you for today.